Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create supernatural TikTok trend video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut. Okay, and for the ratio, make sure that you choose 9:16 ratio, which is suitable for TikTok. And then I'm going to add audio guys. We can go to the audio and then select sounds. And for the audio, we can add Supernatural song by Ariana Grande. And for the song, I have already downloaded from TikTok. Okay, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add filter to my video. We can go to the filter menu and select the Dream filter. Okay, I'm going to search for Dream filter, this one. Apply it to your video, and we're going to slow down our video. We can click on our video and then go to the speed, select normal, and make it 0.5. Okay, and you're going to apply smooth slow motion. Okay, and wait guys, the smooth slow motion is being applied to my video, and you need to wait until it's done. Okay, and I'm going to apply butterfly effect to this video. But wait, let me select the part. I think I need to apply it here. And we can go to the effect, video effect, and then search butterflies. This one, guys. Okay. And then you're going to apply luminance effect. Wait, I'm going to go back first. I'm going to apply the luminance effect. Just search luminance. Okay. And I'm going to make it align with the first effect. And then make it align with our video. Okay, done guys. And wait, I'm going to play it. It will be like this. Okay, but the transition has to be matched with the song. So you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create supernatural TikTok trend video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!